Hello friends, welcome to part 3 of IFRS BCom 5th semester and attempt to compile a very important 2-mark question for your forthcoming exam. To begin with, what is investment property as per Ind AS 40? An important question appeared in 2018. Investment property is a land, building, or a part of it, or both, if they're held for the following specific purposes: either to earn rental income or for the capital appreciation of the property, or both. In this standard, the strong impact is given on the purpose. If you're holding an asset as a factory, that is for supply of goods or services, or for office administration purposes, or for sale in the ordinary course of business, it cannot be classified as investment property. Moving to the second question, what do you mean by accounting standard? Another important question which has appeared in 2018. Accounting standards are the written statements consisting of rules, guidelines issued by the accounting institutions for the preparation of uniform and consistent financial statements, and also for the other disclosure affecting the different user of accounting information. The main purpose of accounting standard is to achieve transparency, reliability, consistency, and comparability of the monetary statement. Moving on to the third question, what are the non-current assets? Give two examples. A very important and a common question that is appeared in 2018. Non-current assets are a company's long-term investments where the full value will not be realized within the accounting year. Non-current assets can be considered anything not classified as current assets. The best two examples are land, building, and plant and equipment. Basically, non-current assets are those set of assets whose useful life is more than 1 year. The other examples can be trademark, goodwill, etc. Thank you, friends. I kindly request you to share, like, and most importantly, subscribe for this channel and press the notification button so that you get the notification immediately as and when I upload the videos. Thank you.